Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. At last, we've got some sunshine here in the UK, and I'm actually going to open my Pint S that I received from Ride and Glide. Now this has been, I don't know, I almost think it's about, if it's not a month or 2 months, that this box has been standing inside the house where the weather has just been really bad, and I couldn't open the box because it's I want to get a nice sunny day with dry roads to really get the box, get the wheel out of the box, and then take it for a spin. So this is what we're going to do today. So I'm going to stop the video, bring you in, and then we're going to unbox this thing. Okay, so let's get this box open. And the guys from Ride and Glide was very helpful to sell my old Onewheel XR on their channel, sorry, on their website, and it's really great. They offer a really good service where you can list your wheel, EUC, e-bike on their website. They take all the photos, they check the wheel, and they validate that everything is good, and then they list it, and it sort of just gives you a wide range of people that actually get to see that website, and then you get a bigger chance to sell your stuff. So that's where I sold my Onewheel XR Plus, had about 300 miles on, and then I upgraded now to this Pint S. There we go. Look at that. Brand new Onewheel Pint S. Look at that. Boom. So let's see what is in the box. Life is about to get more awesome. So we have the normal charger. This is just a two-prong charger. Woohoo! Fresh wheel. Oh man, how cool is that? Meet your foot pads. Quick start guide. We don't need that. What else is in the box? Oh, I love this Tyre. There's the charge port on that side. There's the valve. This is the foot plates, and this is this mag handle as well. That's quite nice. Wow, very nice, very nice. Very nice. It's going to give you all the angles. This is also the new treaded tire that I'm really looking forward to actually ride. But the reason why I went from the XR Plus to the Pint S is because I was looking for a little bit more, well, the latest shaping and so forth, and I was also looking for something a little bit smaller. But now looking at this board, it is almost pretty much the same size as the XR. So we will have to go and check that out. I assume the battery is going to be totally flat. So what's happening here? This is the manual. So in here you get a little book with all the rules and regulations. Got some Pint stickers. That's quite cool. And then I've got the Onewheel Pint charger, tiny little charger. So we'll probably lob this thing on the charge, and then we will check it out. But yeah, let me quickly check that. And then we also have a US plug. And then we've got business cards. Okay, so let's have a look. Power button, and there you can see the light come on. How cool is that? Oh, it balances as well. So wheel is ready. So I'm going to go and inflate the tire, and then I'm going to put it on charge, and then we're going to connect the app up activate the wheel, and then I'm gonna take it for a quick little spin. Okay, so I'm just it paired up. I just want to make sure that there's no units. I've set that, notifications, smart support, everything is fine. Was wondering if there's any specific software update on this thing, but it doesn't look like it. Pint S. I'm not seeing anything specifically popping out to me. Let's have a quick look. Settings, group ride, messages, service and registration. No Onewheels found. Open the Onewheel portal. I'm not going to do that now. Yeah, it looks all good. Yeah, that's as easy as getting the wheel going. So I'm going to put it on charge now, and then I'm going to wait till it's about 50%, and then I'm going to go for a quick little ride. Okay, so just a quick little correction before I ride the wheel. I just had a quick read through the manual as well, and the wheel pressure is exactly the same as my XR. So it's 20 psi. I think 20 psi is about 1.4 bar. So I've deflated the tire, because on the tire it says a maximum of 4 bar. And that's just way too much. So it's on 18 psi. I'm just going to inflate it to 20 psi, and then it should be good. There we go, 20 psi, and now the tire should be perfect. So now I'm just going to wait for it to charge a bit, and then I'm going to go for a quick little ride. Super excited, but yeah, the tire is now way more squishy compared to the 2 bar I inflated it to. So 20 psi, and it needs to be, what is it, about 1.4 bar. Okay, cool. This wheel is like totally different. Where the XR was riding very flat, this thing is like very agile. And this grip tape is like super sticky. It's like totally different. And with this kick, the kick tails and whatever, it's just a whole different ride. It's so connected. Wow, so different. Also very quiet. Almost feels like a skateboard. Wow, this is very nice. Super smooth. And that's the auto stop. The auto stop is also quite nice because you can just stop. You stand and you push the wheel back. So if you switch the auto stop off, you can go backwards. When the auto stop is on, you can't ride backwards. I must say the foot plates that are a little bit flared, it's so nice on your feet. I'm so used to the flat foot plates, but this is really comfortable. This is a very short ride, but it will just feels really good. It feels locked in. Jeez, how cool is it to be back on a one wheel? We need to find a place for the trail to dry out so we can start riding on the trails again. So nice. The 20 psi feels good, but this tire feels really nice, very squidgy and agile compared to the XR's flat tire. It's just different, something to get used to. Oh, I love it. It's interesting that there's no new firmware for the wheel. I've activated, and that's pretty much it. Okay guys, I'm pretty much done. I'm going to charge the wheel up, see if there's any other stuff, sort out the registration on the website, and then I'm pretty much done. So hope this video is something that you like. And it's my daughter that helped me out with the filming, and I hope you have had fun watching the video, and please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers guys.